Got the seagulls and the big boys up in here. Hey, what's up, y'all? They're trying to get my... I'm just having some clams, whatever these things are, before work. Look, he's gonna eat it out of my hand. It's okay. Here. You don't trust me. They killing each other for this shit. Let's see if I can get one to eat out of my hand. Here, trust me. It's okay. This one might... Oh, it's got a shell on it. Here. Oh, come on. Yes. He ate it out of my hand. It's like I was supposed to be eating these right now, but I was like having such a good time, like sharing the love. Look. Come on. Look, if you don't, your friend will, I guarantee it. They love it. All right, that's it. This is my shit. Y'all leave me alone. I gotta go to work. Toodaloo. You ain't playing. You waiting on that shit. I'm gonna give him one more. This is what you call sharing the love. Oh, wait. There's a seagull. Look, here we go. Woo! Woo! Hey! Y'all gotta... They gotta chill. Out here killing each other and shit.